Hello everyone. We will continue the topic IDocs, and in the previous videos we studied about the test tool for IDoc processing, that is WE19 transaction code. Now we will study about BD87 transaction code. What is BD87 transaction code? With the help of this transaction code, you can reprocess the error IDocs. We are talking about error IDocs. We can reprocess, we will do the again processing of the error IDocs so that they will become successful. In the real projects, yes, sometimes IDocs are in error state. So you should always make them successful. So how you will make them successful? You will reprocess them through which particular transaction code? BD87. Now, whenever you will reprocess the IDocs, so IDoc number will remain as it is. It should not generate it does not generate a new IDoc number. And that is real project. That is real project. If some IDoc is in error state, if you are going for reprocessing of that IDoc, so IDoc number will remain as it is. Yes, status will change for that particular IDoc. It will change from error to successful state. If you are comparing it to WE19, in WE19 test tool, always new IDoc number generate. Here, the IDoc number remain as it is. Suppose we have the IDoc number 100. It is in error state. If I am reprocessing that IDoc number 100, the IDoc number will remain 100 only. It will not generate a new IDoc number in BD87. Now, with the help of BD87, you can reprocess any number of error IDocs at a time. But if you are comparing it to WE19, yes, we can only process one IDoc at a time. So with the help of BD87, we can reprocess any number of error IDocs at a time. So BD87 is the transaction code to reprocess the error IDocs, and we can reprocess any number of error IDocs at a time. And once we reprocess, it will not generate a new IDoc number. Now we will go for the system. We will do the practical of BD87 and we will see each and every point is making sense or not. So we will go to BD87 transaction code. Most important topics from the project perspective. This is the initial screen of BD87. Now we can reprocess the error IDocs. It means firstly, we require error IDocs so that we can reprocess them with the help of BD87. So firstly, we will replicate the scenario. I will go to LSMW, same LSMW which we created. And now we will go for the we will go for the error IDocs. I will execute. I will explain fully how we can get the error IDocs. I will read the data. 5 records has been read successfully. Same 5 records we are reading. We have not changed the data, anything. Employee ID 100 to 104 in the file. Now I will show you display. I will show you the data. It has been read successfully or not. You can see employee ID 100 to 104. Data read successfully. Now we will convert the data. Data converted successfully. Now we will display the converted data. We have employee ID 100 to 104. So data converted successfully. We will generate the IDocs. We will create the IDocs. So this converted file, SAP will take this converted file and generate 5 IDocs. This topics we already studied in detail. Now it is clearly saying this IDoc is created. We will check in these tables, the EDI-DC, EDI-D4, and EDI-DS, that IDocs generated or not. I will go to the table. And then we will process the IDoc. I will go to EDI-DC table, which is the control record table. Okay. I will put today's date. I will put the time also, so that we can directly reach up to those 5 IDocs only. Okay. I will take 1 minute before. Okay. Yes, we got this 5 IDocs number. We will check in EDI-D4 table, data record table. I'll copy these IDocs number. If I will go to EDI-D4 table, I will put same to same IDocs here. Yes, 5 IDocs generated, and this is the data of the IDocs. Employee ID 100 to 104. I will check in EDI-DS table. I'll put same to same IDocs. We will paste. Okay. So IDoc generated. If you remember in the previous video, we discussed the status 50 is for IDoc added and 64S IDoc is ready to send to the application. Now we will process these IDocs. We will process these IDocs. You all know who will process the IDoc. Process code will process the IDoc. And we have the process code BAPI, which we used. We already put the so much stress on these topics. So this is the process code. I will double click onto the function module and we will put a breakpoint. And I show you how we will go get the error IDocs. Okay. Now I will go for IDoc processing. One by one, the IDoc will process. I will go for execute. Yes, breakpoint stopped. So first IDoc will come now. This is our first IDoc, 382060 and Rahul. Is this our first IDoc? 382060? Yes. SAP will go for our inbound function module. This is our inbound function module. We are calling our inbound function module. Inside this function module, we have our own function module. This is our own function module. Now we are going for employee ID 100 and Rahul. Okay. Employee ID 100 and Rahul. Employee ID 100 and Rahul, we are again putting into this database table. If I will go to this database table, now you can understand how error will generate. I will go to contents. See, employee ID 100 is already in the table. If you will try to insert 100 employee ID again, it is an error. How you can insert the primary key again? So whenever this insert will execute, we will get the size bar CS4. It is error. So system will go to else part and we are going for an error message. Now we will go for second processing. Second processing. In the second processing, what is the IDoc number? 382061. Is this our IDoc? Yes, 382061. If I will go to execute, now it is calling the inbound function module. We have our own function module, and we are putting now 101 Abhishek. 101 Abhishek is already in the table, already in the employee table. So yes, how it can generate the primary key again? So we will again get the Sai bar C other than 0. You can see Sai bar C is 4. And now we have the new, we are getting the error. Third processing, 382062. 382062. And what is the data? 102 Sethu. I will go to inbound function module. It is calling our function module. Now it is trying to insert 102 Sethu into the table. And 102 Sethu is already present. So we will again get a error message, Sai bar C4. Error. Now we have fourth IDOC, 382063. 382063. Yes. So it will simply go to our function module, inbound function module, then our function module, and it will not be able to insert 103 Shirali because 103 Shirali is already present in our table, 103 Shirali. So again, it will go to else part, Sai bar C is other than 0. And now we have the fourth error. Fifth IDOC. This is our fifth IDOC, 382064. Inbound function module, our function module, now again 104 Akanksha is already present in the table. So we will again get a error message again. You can see. Now I will execute. Have you seen all 5 IDocs are in red color? Because we are unable to post the data into the application. And status, you can see status is 51. Status is 51. It means application document not posted. So now do you have the error IDocs? Yes, we have the error IDocs. If I will show you the status in this EDIDS table, if I will refresh, we will get one more line, 51 status. What is 51? 51 is error, error. 51 is error. 51 is error. 51 is error. 51 is error. So we have now 5 error IDocs. And if I will show you in WE02 also, you can easily understand if I will show you from there itself. So we have the IDocs number 382060 to 382064. If I will show you, all 5 IDocs will be in error state. You can see all 5 are in error states. So we are able to replicate the scenario. Now in the next video, we will reprocess these IDocs using BD87. So what is the summary of the video? In this video, we started with a new transaction code BD87. The purpose of BD87 is to reprocess the error IDOC. Compulsory, it should be in error state. You can, whenever you will reprocess, it will not generate a new IDoc number. It just change the status of that IDoc number. And we can reprocess any number of error IDocs with the help of BD87. And we replicated the scenario. Now we have the error IDocs. We will reprocess them with the help of BD87 in the next video. That's it in this video. Thank you.